And here we go. Alright, we got a little bit of the winds going on here. Making your life an adventure. Oh, wow. Wow. This video is sponsored by Dirty Miner Apparel. Go to dirtyminerapparel.com and use code UNDERLANDERS to receive 10% off. That's dirtyminerapparel.com, code UNDERLANDERS. Get dirty. Alright, don't touch your face or your eyes. Going for a hike. Next to Del Valle Regional Park. It's all closed off because of flooding and hazardous conditions. So we're hiking our way in. Got Grayson and Madeline with me today. This one's for you, Larry Hewitt. Get well, get better. We'll go exploring another time. It's beautiful. Going through the bushes. Watch out. What?
You just said bushes, watch out, and then put your phone in the bushes so it looks like it's a lot more dangerous than it is.
This is dangerous. Watch out for that log. Oh, go to the log. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Is that a bear?
Watch out for more bushes. Ow.
Ouch. I think Madeline died already.
Oh yeah, this is our little spot under the bridge. Man, the water's never been this high before. You can tell though, like it was up to here, the grass is all flat. You can see how high the water was. Normally it's not this full. Wow. You throw a rock in there? Go for it. Badoosh. Badoosh. Oh, look, it's got a little water meter right here.
Oh, yeah.
You can kind of see the log or that piece of wood.
They ever expect the water to go?
What about there? Maybe water was? I don't know what I'm saying. That's cool.
Oh, actually, it does look more wet at the bottom. Maybe it was what the...
Yeah, you can see where it was, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's crazy. Alright, so we're making our way through the creek. Clearly, you can see the creek's right over here. You can clearly see it's been as high as up here. Washed all this stuff through. Man, it must have been raging waters through here at one point, a few weeks back when I was dumping all that rain. This is crazy. The whole trail has been completely washed out. So we're going to see if anything's been dug up, some new stuff. See what we can find. So behind us is the Winty Golf Course, and then over here's the creek. Sounds like it's flowing pretty good. Probably not going to be able to get past a certain spot on this trail, but we're going to try and see. And you can see the water is way up here by the fence. You can see all the leaf debris against the fence. Man, this water must have rose up like a good 15 feet. It's insane. Oh yeah, all this is completely washed out and changed. Used to be a lot more
Oh, yeah. Wait, no, I just
stuff
realized.
piled up, but I think the water washed a lot of it through. It's really open now,
We're
yeah.
not going to be able to go here. We have to go up.
I think we can get across that.
That? No.
Yeah.
It's all slippery.
Because we used to, like, go and climb on that log right there, and now you can't really get access to that spot. That's what I'm trying to say. Wow. Still beautiful though. Gonna go up there? Alright, I'm gonna try down here. What are you guys doing way up there?
I don't know. There's 2 ducks over there.
That's a big tree behind you.
Oh. What do you know?
Careful up there. Whoa, hey, you're kicking down rocks, man. What the hell?
It's a bit uncertain.
Heads up. Jesus. Got some ducks over here.
That's what I said. I said you over here.
Got this cement structure here. Some kind of retaining wall barrier for the water. Not sure which. Or something. Pretty cool. All right, so we made it to the bridge that normally has railings. They're up there now. Wondering if the water got so high and so fast that it was knocking the railings over. Either way, this is why the park is closed now. There's no railings on this bridge, this footbridge. The dam, Lake Del Val's over there. And so we're just kind of hiking and exploring. Checking stuff out. Wave to the camera. I hear you. Who are you again? Why are you following me?
I'm Joe.
Stay back. Stay back. I don't know who you are.
Also, my bear's gonna attack you.
Your bear?
Yeah.
You have a pet bear?
Yeah, his name's Jerry.
Jerry the bear?
He's very hungry. And he's right behind you. Watch out!
Ah! So we were just walking along and there's a little mud pile here. We're looking at the footprints. You get closer and look down. You can see like bird footprints and how cute are these? Little tiny little prints. That's so cute. Oh, I didn't. Observing nature.